In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a folder in Google Drive. This simple process will ensure that someone else can fully manage the folder, making it particularly useful when you're sharing projects, handing over responsibilities, or simply organizing shared files more efficiently. To get started first, we'll need to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Now, it's time to select the folder for which you'd like to change the ownership. Browse through your drive and click on the folder to select it. This step is crucial because you'll want to make sure you're transferring the correct folder, so double check your selection if you have a lot of similarly named files. After selecting the folder, look for the share icon, which usually appears as a person with a plus sign near it. Click on this share icon, which will open the sharing settings for the folder. If you've shared the folder in the past, you might already see a list of people who have access, but don't worry if it feels a bit cluttered. Our focus is solely on transferring ownership to a new person. Once the share settings window is open, you should see an option labeled as Editor. Click this drop down menu next to the person to whom you'd like to transfer ownership. This drop down contains various permissions like Viewer, Commenter, and of course Editor. Select Editor to proceed to the next step. Now with the selected person set as an editor, you'll see the Transfer Ownership option appear. Click on Transfer Ownership, which will prompt Google to confirm your decision, because this action allows the selected person to do almost anything with the folder. Delete it, change permissions, and further share it. Make sure that's what you want before finalizing this step. It's always good to double check with your intended recipient that they're ready to accept ownership. Finally, once you confirm the ownership transfer, Google will send an email notification to the new owner, informing them that they have taken ownership of the folder. Check with the recipient to ensure everything has gone smoothly and offer assistance if they have any questions or concerns about their new role as owner. And that's it, you've successfully transferred ownership of a folder in Google Drive. By following these steps, you can easily manage your shared resources and ensure that the right people have the appropriate control over your files. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep exploring and efficiently organizing your digital workspace. See you in the next video.